In the next 30 to 60 seconds on financialism, you're going to learn what a Roth IRA is, an independent retirement account. But first, I have a special guest for today's episode. He's my friend. Allow me to introduce him real quick. I could introduce myself. I'm the very passionate political believer. So, well, I want to use this platform. I know you're talking about money and stuff, but what I want to use this platform for is to discuss how that group over there, how could they not believe the scientific consensus on yada yada yada. Right, so you're saying that all the science kind of agrees that this is the basic truth about yada yada, and that group refuses to believe it or think about the future? Well, that is exactly what I'm talking about.
Whoa, my voice really changed.
So let me ask you, do you believe you're going to retire one day? Well, yeah. Why does it keep doing that? Do you have a Roth IRA? My doctor told me that I don't. So while you're judging other people about their understanding of the future in the world, you expect to retire, but you don't have a retirement account. That doesn't make any sense to me. You have 10, 20, 30, 40 years to prepare for this day for retirement, and yet most people don't even have their Roth IRA account set up, and it takes only 7 to 10 minutes to do it. Here are the advantages to a Roth IRA account. You can invest tax-free. Basically, you get paid by your job, right? So you pay the taxes on that money. You put up to $6,000. That's how much they let you right now. Only $6,000. I know that's a lot of money, but still, that's the limit. They limit this because they don't want people taking advantage. Not that people are going to take advantage of this. Tax-free. So you can invest in Disney and Apple and Netflix tax-free. The catch is you can only withdraw the gains, the profits, at 59 and a half years old. If your income is over $124,000 a year, you cannot directly contribute to the Roth IRA. You need to first have a regular IRA and then transfer it into the Roth IRA. This should definitely be prioritized instead of a new phone, a new laptop, or whatever else you're spending your money on. Thank you for your concern. I think that maybe I do have a Roth IRA. My voice keeps changing on me. I'm going to the doctor right now. Now, if you enjoyed that video, click on the like button. A comment would be appreciated. And I think I'm going to click this video over here and learn what a stock is, because apparently, I don't know. Apparently,